What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another episode of B-Tech Productions. Today we are getting into how to flip or how to mirror a video. Okay, very simple. It's so simple. When you find out, you're gonna be like, wow, this was very simple. Yeah. Okay, cool. So the first thing we gotta do is run that intro. Let's go. So we have our screen shared. Okay, so let's say that you have a clip here and I have this cut out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to transform. Okay, we have the X and the Y axis. So we make this bigger, it's gonna stretch it. And then you can also go back to 100. Okay, and we make this bigger, it's going to go up and down. Okay, 100. All right, so basically how we do this, we're going to change the x-axis to -100, and that's going to flip it. So we see it's playing regular here. So the B-Tech Productions, my name is B, basically. So we see that this one, this particular clip is at -100. And then this clip is at 100. Okay. So also, if a clip is upside down, you could change this, the Y axis, to -100 and flip it. Or if you want to flip it, then that's what you will use to flip it. So -100 will change it upside down and mirror it and everything like that. Very cool stuff. Just change this to 100. Okay, if you change all to -100, then it's gonna flip it and mirror it. Okay, so if you're trying to mirror, just change the x-axis to -100. Okay, pretty simple tutorial. Like I told you, man, once you find out like how to do this, it's gonna be real simple. So another thing that you could do though is if you want a different camera angle without having a second camera angle. So like here, I'm here now. Another episode of B-Tech Productions. My name is B. Basically, I didn't change it. Okay, sorry. -100. All right. Episode of B-Tech Productions. My name is B. Basically, so it looks like I got a different camera angle. Or also, if you're trying to hide a cut too, you could just flip it and then flip it back in a couple seconds. Really simple, really simple stuff today. I hope that you found this helpful. Really quick tutorial today, 2-3 minutes. It's lit. We don't need to drag it out, you know. But if you found it helpful, please do give me some feedback below. And we'll see you in the next video.